Find your own route, ugly ass nigga. Well, y'all niggas ain't holding that bitch like me. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari back with a POV, as y'all can see. Showing y'all boy the outside real quick, man. You feel me? As y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail probably, we are about to get a little wicked. Y'all boy love that kind of video. You know what I'm saying? This is the video that kind of set me off to where I'm at today. So, with that being said, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. You feel me? But just showing y'all boys the outside of Olivia once again. Big sexy, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, we're gonna be sliding. We're gonna be sliding a couple turns today. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna go too crazy and wet outside. As y'all can see, the ground is, you know what I'm saying, these slippery. It's sprinkled a little bit, but that's probably all we're gonna get. But I'm gonna give y'all boys a little sliding POV with the flame tune on, so y'all get to hear some pops as I slide, hopefully. It'll be my first time doing it. I don't know if it'll pop for real when I like bend the corner or something like that, but we shall see. Car crew, man, make sure I hit that like button, man. Get the video to 100 likes at least. You know what I'm saying? I try to get my videos 100 likes every video. But enough talking. I'm gonna crank up right quick. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can hear that thing, we get rolling. What made the grass move, boy? What had the grass moving on that bitch? Alright. Let's get to it. Alright, car crew, man. Y'all can see we are in the vehicle, you know what I'm saying? Hands-free POV. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all rock with the hands-free POV, man. I see I'm putting it in street mode, nothing too crazy. I don't really gotta have it in sport. It's slippery outside, so we ain't gotta do too much. Sun trying to come out, so we're gonna hurry up and get this done. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn that traction all the way out, you know what I mean? Y'all see right here? Yeah, you hear that ding, you know what that mean. Like, yeah, man, I'm gonna do a little something slight, man. We ain't gonna go crazy, and I ain't finna just be out here going stupid. I still want my tires, you know what I'm saying? But I just want y'all to hear like how it pop. See if it pops like when I let off the gas type beat. But we shall see. We shall see. We shall see. You know why we gotta bend the first one. I ain't gonna go too crazy though, like I said. Just like a little kick out. I don't know, man. Look at the spider. Oh. Boy, no. Boy, trying to take me out the game. Hey, I know that nigga behind me probably like, but what the that nigga in that Silverado like, but hell no. But that nigga crazy, but what the fuck? I said I was gonna go crazy, and y'all see Olivia just go crazy for me, like, insane. Hey, man. Like the video already, nigga. Come on, man. We 2-3 minutes in the video, cuz. We 2-3 minutes in. Dang, the nigga, like the nigga following me. Hold on, cuz. Damn. Stickle. Damn. Cuz, watch out, bro. Damn. I hate when niggas pull out the same place you pull out front. They be going down in the same way you going. Like, bitch, find your own route, ugly ass nigga. Well, y'all niggas ain't holding that like me. Come on, man. Camera slide and everything, nigga. Camera on my nose, nigga. Still on that bitch, nigga. Woo. Come on, man. That bitch, hey. Come on, cuz. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm one of the ones, not the two, nigga. Come on, nigga. That boys ain't rocking like me. Oh. Hold on, now. But hell nah. You gotta get out this bridge. Been gonna have your nose bruised. Damn! Man, them pops do go crazy though, I'm not gonna lie. Damn! But y'all seen me hold that bitch? Come on, man. It was so slight, but it wasn't. I'm going, and it was a curve. Like, this right here is a curve. Y'all probably can't tell. This is indeed a curve right here. Like, if I downshift low enough, hit that bitch, and hold that bitch, come on, man. I knew I was gonna need 2 hands for this video, bro. To really get y'all boy, like, you know what I'm saying? Something nice to look at, you feel me? Cause I could get y'all the 1 hand. You know what I'm saying? I keep checking the view. Make sure y'all boy can see, you know what I'm saying? So, I forgot this way, you gotta turn all the way around. But yeah, like, come on, man, y'all boys seen it. I can cut the video out right there. That's all y'all need, ain't it? Real glad. That car still sound good without the pops too, though. Don't get it twisted. Or live it still the best sounding scat, nigga. No headers. Best sounding scat, nigga, no headers, nigga. Doesn't matter if she had headers, nigga. I have a family of deer probably come out that bit right now. I ain't windy as hell, hold on. I ain't mean to make it that windy for y'all, boy. Hope y'all still can hear. Stick 'em. That bit was spinning a little bit and I wasn't even in it already. I wasn't even nowhere near in it. Even when I'm sliding, bro, I'm not even in that bit. I'm just tapping the gas to make it slide, and I just filter the pedal, bro. I'm really, hold on now. That Burble 1 or 2. That bitch just switched it up on my ass. But yeah, man. Y'all boys seen it, cuz. That was some slight, too. It really was doing what I wanted to do. See, I could do it in the rain to look. I call it the catwalk, like when the car just go side to side, you know what I'm saying? You just hold it and stay in it. That's what I've been wanting to do anyway. Like this right here, I could slide this if I would slow down and hit this and stay in both lane. It shouldn't even be that much traffic. Y'all should be at somebody's house waiting to eat. We out here in Mexico, y'all niggas still like this bitch. It be like it cricket, like it turned sideways. Okay, there we go. Man, y'all cars be blowing me, bro. I be trying to get these niggas a show. Y'all niggas won't go home. Damn. Take y'all ugly ass home. Niggas just be in the way. Let me turn around, bro. Dang, it's a dead deer right there. Sitting on the grass. Ain't no telling how long that bitch sitting right there. It don't look like it been there that long though. It probably just happened last night. Damn! I know he probably looking like, boy, what the fuck? I'm finna spin that bitch, y'all, boy. What is? I'm gonna spin that bitch. Soon as this Buick go. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little show. A little something on in. I really couldn't get that bit to go like I wanted. Like, it was spinning, but I was really trying to tap the gas so I can hear that mother pop. It do pop though when you slide, so that's fine. So now I know if I ever want to get in the pit, yeah, I'm gonna be in that bit. Pow, pow, yeah, ugly. But yeah, man. Just a quick little POV little sliding session here and there, little, you know, have a little fun with it. Just POV, man, hand-free POV. Y'all boy, let me know y'all rock with the hand-free POV. I know y'all probably like that new style hold the camera. You know what I'm saying? POV. I like that style. It's quicker. That's like on the fly. Like you just be like, oh, I can record a POV right quick. You know what I'm saying? You record a POV right quick. But yeah, that's really all that is to it. But the day is Thanksgiving, man. You know what I'm saying? Happy Thanksgiving to all my car crew, future car crew, or if you just stumbled upon this video on board. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate you for watching the video, man. But happy Thanksgiving. I appreciate car crew, man. Y'all boys supporting me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys rocking out with me, man. For the ones that do, you know, it's a lot of y'all, but a lot of y'all won't be tuning in. So I appreciate a couple hundred of y'all that do be tuning in, man. It means a lot. We're gonna grow. We're gonna be big one day, man. You know what I'm saying? And the rest of the 10,000 or 12,000 subscribers gonna finally join the bandwagon. You know what I'm saying? Support a nigga. So it is what it is. I'm just speaking real. Y'all know I just keep it real. I ain't no in my feelings or nothing. I'm just saying, like 15,000, only a couple hundred to 1,000, 2,000 watch video. I mean, hey, shoot fit, wear it, nigga. Ugly, but not for real. Yeah, I appreciate y'all boy though, man. You know what I'm saying? It mean a lot, man. I love doing YouTube. I'm not gonna lie. I had to fall back in love with it. I was trying to make it too much of a business when it ain't even a business. You know what I'm saying? Damn, this just like good memories. I just seen cuz on the 4-wheeler. Let me slow down. I know that mother have my head bouncing. Oh, so that's a tree. You gotta go over there big one like 40. Damn. But yeah, man. I appreciate all y'all boy, man, for real. I do love making videos, good memories, something to look back on, you know what I'm saying? Be like, dang, bro, I remember I did this, that, and this. I went here, and there, you know what I'm saying? I done came from this to this. All that, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all young boys, y'all young bloods. Oh yeah. I'm trying to see where I even want to go. I don't even know. Really finna hit a nigga with a... Man, go. Okay. Go. But hell no. Damn, boy, the fuck. Damn, that been loud. Boy, that been loud, boy. Good Google it, boogle it. But that thing ain't juicy, ugly. But nah. Let me get on up out of here, man. But, whew, I get a little adrenaline rush. Be feel like a man, ugly. Y'all boy can't be like me, man. Just stop. Like, it's over. Bow, come on. Give me another one. Bow, a little small one. Bow, you know what I mean? But yeah, man, too easy. Anyway, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You know what I'm saying? I had to hit y'all boy with a little, not a little turn POV for the holiday, you know what I'm saying? Happy Thanksgiving, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, happy Big Bad Day. That's what I call it. Happy Big Bad Day. It's the only day you illegal for you to be a big bat. You know what I'm saying? Not frowned upon. But yeah, man, y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if y'all boys are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. You know what I'm saying? Again, I will drop this probably today. You know what I'm saying? But 1 o'clock, almost 2 o'clock. So I'll probably drop this today on Thanksgiving, since, you feel me, it's Thanksgiving. This is my gift to you, ugly. But make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys turn me up, man. We want 20K on the road to 20K the quick way. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. And also, for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst. You know what I'm saying? I know we ain't perfect. You feel me? But keep him first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up. You feel me? It'll take you a long way. Like, I can go deep into it, but the main thing is just keeping them first. You know what I'm saying? Staying humble. Just always seeking them. You feel me? Even the good time, and them always, you know, the bad time, we obviously do, but even when the good time, bro, just, you know what I'm saying? Seek them. You feel me? Keep them first, and he'll direct you where you want to go, where you need to go. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all boys just do that for me, you feel me? And have a good, safe Thanksgiving, you know what I'm saying? And like I also said at the end of my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.